Hey everybody, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to share with you a little trick that I've used over the years to save a little bit money. Prices on things are a bit crazy these days, so any savings is always a good thing. When grown in hydroponic, these net cups are very common and very popular. They're not too expensive, but the price have gone up. So if you happen to want to save money by not buying these, you can use a little hack that I've been using, which is using shot glasses. It works the exact same way. The shot glasses are really cheap. I think most people have these laying around the house, so you can use that. Also, these are reusable, so that means you can use it many times as long as you don't damage the cups. And so I'm going to show you how I prepare the cup. You see, these are rock wool, and the same thing, it fits in both. They're pretty much the same size. So here, you see, this is what I'm growing something right now. I just started some seeds, and that's how I'm gonna grow it. Peppers and vegetables and stuff like that works great. Especially if you grow vegetable, this is all you need. So what you would do is you turn the cup over, and you get a scissor. You know, like a scissor with a pointed tip, and then you kind of give it a cut right here, like that, and that allows you to cut the inner part out. Don't cut around the outside, because you need a little bit left to hold the rock wool. You see, so when you drop it, see, this little leftover section is what holds the rock wool. It's very strong, so it can hold, you know, like a pepper plant, vegetable, lettuce, and all that. So it's very easy. So don't cut all the way. You don't need to cut a hole this big. You can cut it even smaller. So as long as a little bit of the roots come out into the nutrient reservoir, they will expand and multiply at the bottom. So you can even cut it smaller if you want to, but this is a good size right here, so just cut it like that. And another good thing about this is that if you want to transplant your plant into a different systems, or you take it out and put it into soil, all you have to do is take the rock wool out like this, and the whole plant comes apart without root damage at all. You see, and that's an easy way to transplant and remove them. If you use a net cup, you see here, I have to cut some of these parts out in order to remove the plant easily. And if you don't cut them, you know, the roots are stuck through these little holes right here, and when you yank them out, you could potentially damage the root. So yeah, so that's what I've been using there. It's excellent. It works great. It's the cheapest option. It's reusable, and it's probably not gonna cost you anything at all. So yeah, have fun, and I hope this helped you guys save a little bit money.